Hi, welcome to this knowledge clip about Dutch cycling. My name is Tije Goris from DTV Capacity Building in the Netherlands. The famous Dutch Crow Bike Design Manual talks about 5 design principles for bicycle infrastructure: cohesion, directness, safety, comfort and attractiveness. In the next minutes I will introduce the cohesion principle. If we want to promote the use of the bicycle as a means of transport, we need to make sure that cyclists are able to cycle from A to B, from anywhere to everywhere. That is why the design principle cohesion is relevant. Cohesion is about the possibility of getting somewhere by bicycle, whether it is a single-mode trip by bicycle or a multimodal trip that involves using a bicycle to access public transport hubs. Cycle-friendly infrastructure should form a cohesive whole and link all origins and destinations that cyclists may have. Imagine a short trip from home to friends elsewhere in town, or taking your bike to ride to your office, to school, to the metro or train station, or for shopping. On each trip, your route will take you from your residential street to bicycle paths, a cycling street and busier roads. You might be cycling on separated cycle paths or in mixed traffic. Cohesion is about connecting all these elements and ensuring that a door-to-door trip is possible by using your bicycle. This applies both to the network level and to the network elements, such as sections and intersections. An important element that determines the cohesiveness of a network is grid size. Let's look into this. The network is to connect origins and destinations. It consists of link and link alternatives, a grid. The grid size is a measure which can be defined as the distance between parallel connections. A grid size of roughly 300 to 500 meters is usually the right choice within built-up areas. This offers a balance between providing sufficient choices and route alternatives without either lengthening the trip or reducing the number of crossings. Grids that are too small, for example, often have too many crossings and intersections, which in turn affects user comfort. The city of Delft in the Netherlands, for example, started planning their network in the late 70s, early 80s of the last century. Throughout the decades, a comprehensive network was planned, developed, expanded and improved. You can clearly differentiate the principal network, in red, the secondary network, in blue, and the local network, in green. Considering cohesion is essential when planning the bicycle network. Such planning guarantees that sections and lanes remain connected without missing links, and that the lower level networks, such as local streets, are linked to the main network. Of course, a network is not built in one day, neither was Rome. The key lesson here: start with a link, plan for a network. In this clip I have focused on one of the design principles for bicycle infrastructure: cohesion. The key advantage of the design principles is the transferability. Whether you are in Europe, the Americas, Africa, Asia, Down Under or elsewhere. Whether you are a starting, climbing or a champion cycling culture. These design principles apply to each situation. And applying the design principles leads to safe and successful bicycle infrastructure.